All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ram ProMaster. It is the 1500 low top with 8,000 miles. Beautiful white with the black vinyl interior, AM/FM stereo system. Super nice, only 8,000 miles, and best of all, minimal damage. Go real quick, your front bumper. Looks pretty good. Your front hood, it is misaligned and over. As you can see, that's what it looks like. Here, it's off as well, kind of slanted sideways. So it needs some sort of hood adjustment or something, so everybody here knows. Fender looks good. Front driver's rim is over 730 seconds. Now I believe we're gonna call it frame because of this misalignment. That way we don't, there's no ifs, ands, or buts. This door looks okay. It does have a dent here, about 2 inches. The rest of it looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's steel wheel. And your tire thread here is over 1330 seconds. Oh, real quick, you got power windows, power door locks. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me look for my the keys to this vehicle. And here, of course, it does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. And turn on this truck. If you got your AM/FM system, AM/FM stereo right here, you got your AC controls right down below. You got how's the name of it? Cup holders. It's what your instrument cluster looks like. As you can see, it does have tire pressure light on, and there's your mileage of 8,335. No AC, folks. You need to charge the AC. Keeping it moving, humming around. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Your lights on top are working. Got some chips and stuff like that. As you can see, 1, 2, 3. Doors do swing out all the way. Here and here. This is, of course, your rear cargo area, as you can see it. Very nice. Sure. Well, this one here looks like it's been got a couple of dents on it. All right, that's about it. The rest of it looks pretty good. This is what one of your doors looks like. Boom. Your panel here is cracked. You want to get a new panel, get one. If not, leave it alone. Likewise here, that panel is cracked, but the rest of the door looks pretty good. The rest of the panel looks pretty good. This quarter here looks okay. Here's your rear passenger side steel wheel. And your tire thread is over 730 seconds. This sliding door looks good. I do see a dent right here. It looks like from the inside out. Here's what your side cargo area looks like. Very nice. Your front door here does have a little ding right here. This is your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Let's go back here and check out your roof real quick. Boom. And this is what your roof looks like, which I can see looks good. I don't see any troubles there. All right. All right. I showed you all that. Showed you all this. I'll tell you, folks, I just got some stuff on me from the ladder. All right, folks, I'm back. Check it out. Tire thread in the front passenger. Boom, 1030 seconds. Lights are working. Car is on. Things are beautiful. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 2017 Ram ProMaster 1500 short top with 8,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.